Shalom, shalom. This is Zephaniah. Y'all shall with another episode of Getting Back to Your Roots. As you can see right here, in the last episode, I was saying that the corn and stuff was starting to grow. And as you can see right here, you see that corn silk coming out? That silk, that's the ear corn. It's growing right there. It's the ear corn growing. Still got the citrus trees and all that. This is the little starter bag. I got the real raised garden bed in the backyard. I set this one up just to get my mechanics down and all that, and just sampling everything. But that's what you gotta do. Can't sit around, relying on the grocery store and thinking, it's not gonna never come a time you're gonna have to learn to do stuff for yourself. You know what I mean? And even if it ain't, I'm just not that type of person that's gonna sit back and don't do nothing, don't learn nothing, and just rely on the oppressor for everything. But hey, that's the times we living in. Shalom.